Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna be talking about what's been basically happening in the markets, like the news and so forth. I know I have been a bit of away for a while, and I've been just monitoring and checking what's going on and so forth. And yes, I haven't really been trading because I've mentioned a lot that if I were trading, I would have been uploading videos showing me trading and analysis. So I haven't been so much into the markets lately, but I have been keeping up with the news like I always do because I find it necessary and it's important. Yeah, like the breaking news for today. I saw Tesla, which is Elon Musk's company. Elon Musk. Tesla has bought 1.5 billion dollars worth of bitcoins. And when that news came out, I quickly came right here to have a look at Bitcoin. And what I noticed is, as soon as Tesla bought Bitcoins, the market was around here, and it shot right up to $44,000. Bitcoin shot up to $44,000 the moment they bought $1.5 billion. So they really made a Tesla made a big impact in the markets, in crypto actually. Bitcoin falls under crypto, so they made a big impact on the markets today regarding crypto, Bitcoin USD mainly. And yeah, I was just like surprised because I noticed that a lot of Bitcoin investors are smiling right now. They're happy where they are. Like if you just put your money into your Bitcoin accounts like Luno, etc., blockchain, etc., etc. If you put your money in there and you don't invest, you just left it, you go and have a look at it now. It's probably grown, but without you doing nothing, it just grew. So yeah, but I'm also getting a bit wary. I'm like worried about something because like I noticed that the Wall Street, the hedge fund guys, they've been manipulating the market for years now, and the thing is they're only getting caught out now, and a lot of people didn't know about this. They go and they find a certain stock and they all sell it. Like there's a company they mainly target, and they sell the stocks for that company, and they gain a lot from it. And what they did recently was with GameStop. I'm sure a lot of people have been hearing about GameStop this, GameStop that. Yeah, GameStop, the Wall Street, the hedge fund guys and so forth, they try to take down GameStop. Like they try to sell it. They were selling GameStop. They were investing by selling it. And what happened was another company, Reddit. I haven't heard of them, but I checking up in the news, reading up all these kinds of Reddit went and they bought. They like went against the Wall Street, and it didn't end well for Wall Street because that's not something that usually happens. That's Reddit went against them and they won, and Wall Street, the hedge fund guys, kind of lost out in a way. They lost millions of dollars, billions. They lost a lot of money, so they were upset. I was watching a few reviews and stuff. The guys weren't happy about that move, and I was kind of laughing a bit because they got caught out, and I think they know what's happening. And yeah. In other news, the Democrats, like I saw now, the Democrats want three $3,600 per child tax credits in COVID-19 relief bills. So that falls under the the relief fund, which is the stimulus package. So it falls under that. That's a lot of money. Yeah. And what was it? The senator, this was a few days ago, the senator has announced that it will allow Democrats to pass a 1.9 trillion budget. So this is all part of stimulus. It's to me, it's still going on. I've been watching and on and off. I'm not really too focused on stimulus. I don't want to be stuck on one thing and then I don't see what's going on in other news. And what else is happening is that the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he promises that there are ways to reduce restrictions before mid-February, which is now. Well, we're not in mid-February yet. Maybe by the weekend or so, we'll be in mid-February. So he says that there are ways to there are ways to reduce restrictions, and they're working towards it. I think he's counting on the vaccines because I saw. Wait, there was news here. I saw him. So talking about the AstraZeneca, I also there. Well, you can see I was here. He said British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said on Monday they are seeing good evidence showing that AstraZeneca, sorry, I said AstraZeneca, I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, it's AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine is stopping the transmission of the virus as reported by Reuters. Additional takeaways: we must remember the importance of daily testing. We are very confident in all vaccines we are using. All of the vaccines we are using are effective in protecting against death and serious illness. We will continue and study the effectiveness of the vaccine rollout. We will look at how the population responds to the vaccines. The vaccines remain of massive benefit to our country and population. Vaccines will offer the way out. Every day that goes by, we can see medicine is slowly getting the upper hand over the disease. So the market mood remains upbeat following these remarks of the UK FTSE 100 index was last seen gaining 1.05% on a daily basis at 6.55. We don't have to worry about that. So yeah, as you can see, Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister, has got good reviews about the vaccine so far. He's talking good about it, and he seems the reason why he's confident about reducing restrictions is because the vaccine is in place. They were the first to actually start testing. The UK, they were the first, so I think they've probably got things under control on their side, and they're working towards it. And yeah, South Africa, where I'm currently at. South Africa COVID vaccines, they arrived last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks. They arrived a while ago, and yeah, when they did, they haven't started testing yet. There's just a lot going on. They already talking about the vaccines came from China. Sorry, man, India. The vaccines come from India, and there's a lot of problems regarding this because now they're going on and saying that they more concerned about the expiry dates. I think it expires in April, towards March, April is the expiry date for the vaccine. So yeah, there's still problems regarding that. So yeah, and that's what I'm bringing you today. What I'll do is whenever I get news updates, I'll share the news with you guys. Keep you updated with what's going on in the markets, how the markets react to certain news, and yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay updated. Thank you.